Just got my new headphone cushions, Wicked cushions, and replacing my earpieces for these Bose. These are the old Wicked cushions. They started to kind of wear out a little bit. Why throw away the headphones when, oops, shit, when you can just replace the cushions? And there you have it, guys. That's how you get the headphone ear cups replaced on your Bose Quiet Comfort. I believe they're the 2 series, Quiet Comfort 2. I did also replace this headband right here. It's an interesting little headband replacement. It's really easy to do, actually. You just need a small screwdriver. And you pop these little clips off, and then you cut off the old Bose headphone because it was kind of flaking. It was starting to come off. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the Bose Quiet Comfort Series 2 ear cups and the inserts as well here on the inside. It's like 15 bucks. It's so much better than getting a brand new pair of headphones because these headphones normally retail for about $300. And just by replacing this and by replacing the padding, it might last you another 2-3 years. So if you're able to get a pair of headphones and use them for, like we've had these for 7 years now, use these headphones for making phone calls, for listening to audio, doing video editing, running my business. These headphones have been fantastic, and they were actually a gift to me, so they were completely free. This padding right here I also had to replace because it was starting to peel, and so I replaced it with a black band, which I can link down below in the description. You can get it on eBay for like 15-20 bucks, and these cups you can get them for about 20 bucks as well. So all in, you're looking at about $40. Takes maybe 20 minutes of work to change it out, and then you have a pair of basically brand new customized headphones the way that you like it. So if you guys like this video, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know your thoughts and feelings about it. And also too, if you know anybody that has a pair of Bose Quiet Comfort Series 2 that is looking for, how to make them last longer, how to save money on being able to get a nice quality sound, then definitely share this video with them and let them know about this channel. So thanks, guys. And one other thing is, if you want these exact same headphone covers that I have as well, then head over to Wicked Cushions. You can find them on Facebook. You can find them on Instagram as well. And I buy them directly from Wicked Cushions on Amazon, which again, I'll put the link down below. They may even have an eBay store. And I like eBay because the sellers actually get a little bit more money than Amazon. And oftentimes Amazon will charge a premium. They'll charge like 25% just to be able to use their platform. And these guys have been great. This is my second pair of ear cups. Had them for almost a year. I run in them. I sweat all over them. That's why they started peeling. But yeah, these have been great. And they also have an extended warranty as well. So if you buy them off of Amazon, then you get the extended warranty. And I'm sure if you buy it on eBay or if you buy it off their direct store, then you'll also probably get that same warranty. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day.